Welcome back. MLA Movin is now under the line of fire. WMLA Movin Gudino has dared Congress leaders to sack him from the party as they sacked Babush Montserrat. He said Congress leaders have no guts to act against him. Congress has dared Movin to resign from the party or Congress will expel him very soon. The party challenged Movin to contest without Congress's ticket. Following action on Santa Cruz MLA Babush, it's now a war of words between WMLA Movin and Congress party. WMLA Movin Gudino has dared Congress to sack him. However, Congress has asked Movin to resign on his own.
I don't understand why Movin Gudino, either he has lost his head or something. He has become so shameless. If he is not agreeing to the party policies, to the principles of the party, if he doesn't have any faith in the leadership of the party, why he is not resigning? आणि तो जेन्ना आपलो बीजेपी कडेन रोमेन्स करता आनी म्हणटा डेव्हलपमेंट कोणाचो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो डेव्हलपमेंट काय तुजो स्वताचो डेव्हलपमेंट कित्याक इतलो जर तुका बीजेपीचेर जर विश्वास आसा जाल्यार काँग्रेस सोड रिजायन जा आमदार म्हणून आनी बीजेपीच्या टिकेटीचेर इलेक्शन करत निवडून यो थंय आमी पळयता कितलो आसा तुजो.
Movin says senior Congress leaders have no guts to speak and those who speak are not the elected ones.
काँग्रेसीन माझी कामां करूं ना आनी तांकां कापसतात आहा आतां म्हाजेर भोंकपा थोड्या मनशांक आयला जे कांय स्टँडींग ना केन्ना इलेक्ट जावन येवं ना. मेन लिडर आहा तो उलयना हांव रावता मेन लिडर आहा तो उलय आनी मागीर हांव तुजेरूय उलयतां आनी तुका एक्सपोज करून दाखयता हे बिबट्यांक घालनाका मुखार.
Prudent asked Talegaon MLA Jennifer Montserrat on her stand about Congress party following Babush's expulsion. She said, party has made the decision about Babush and currently she is with Congress party.
Yes, as of now, I am with the Congress party. At least for now. Till I don't know what plans Babush has, but for now I am with the Congress party and I intend to stay with them. Yes, I will.
Meanwhile, former Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandez alleged that Kalangut police are running minors robber gangs.
So I think there is a big racket going on with the police. Very young boys, very young girls who are left on the street. They are vulnerable and I'm sure pedophilia is going on here under the nose of this police.
Bureau Report, Prudent. 108 ambulance employees indefinite strike has entered second consecutive day. Service receives almost 700 calls a day, including several not the genuine ones. With government and GVK's intervention, just 9 ambulances are on road functioning in major cities and highways. 108 employees say no driver can handle the ambulances other than the trained-gone drivers. Till Thursday evening, 41 cases were attended from 300 calls. Most of the cases were accidental.
की DHS कडे 150 सुमार ड्रायव्हर्स आसा तांकां घेवन चलया तुम्ही चलोवंक शकता जाल्यार आमचें अशें म्हणणें आसा की ही सेवा आमचे वर्कर सोडल्यार कोणूच चलोवंक शकना आनी ताका लागून आमकां प्राधान्य सरकारान दिवचें. सगळे गोंयकार आसा गोंयकाराक प्राधान्य दिवचें भायल्या लोकांक हाडून हांगा सेवा ही चलोवची न्ही आनी आमच्यो मागण्यो ज्यो आसा ते रितसरपणे डिस्कशन करून आमचें सॉल्व करचें.
The female staff blames the GVK management.
रूम्स अवेलेबल करून दिना आणि नाईट शिफ्ट्स घालता. नाईट शिफ्ट घालतको ते एकूच रूम अवेलेबल करून दिता आणि सांगता की हां हांगा रावात म्हणून.
However, these 108 employees are on indefinite hunger strike from Wednesday. They have demanded government to terminate the contract with the GVK agency. Till Thursday, the police vans were handling minor accidents on road. On Wednesday, the 108 service received 700 calls, out of which only 80 cases were attended in both districts of Goa. On Thursday till evening, 300 calls were received, out of which only 41 cases were attended. Several calls were not the genuine ones. Sources informed that most of the cases were related to accidents. Sources from interior parts of Goa informed Prudent that 108 services are unavailable in rural parts of Goa. There are around 9 ambulances on road, but operational only in major cities and highways. Meanwhile, GVK EMRI has initiated disciplinary action against the employees, violating the provisions of ESMA Act. GVK has dismissed some employees for instigating other employees to join strike. Agency has warned that more action would be initiated against the employees for remaining absent on duty. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Some unknown persons fled with gold ornaments and cash amounting to 2 lakh rupees from Lawrence Dicunia's house in Para. The robbers entered the house through the roof tiles. They broke open the lock and ransacked the cupboard from a room. The robbery took place between 10 to 12 noon on Thursday. Lawrence Dicunia and his wife Maria were out of the house for some work.
पयलीं जाल्यार आलमारी सगल्यो व्हडलेल्यो आहा ते दोनूय ते आलमारी मागीर आमी ते पयलें कॅश कितें आहा ते कॅश म्हाजे ते एक 7,000 येयले 10 ग्राम बिस्कीट येयली आनी एक हेजी सिल्याची घोडयाळां येयली चेन येयली तेजी कानांतली इयरिंग्स आनी एक जोक केलो आनी एक मास्क
नये काडले भायर येयन पयलें पळोवंक गेल्यार म्हाका नये दिसती पडले हांवें म्हटलें नयांतल्यान कोण भितर गेला हो दिसता म्हटलें मागीर तितल्यान तो म्हणालो आपूण येता रोकडो आनी मागीर रोकडो तो येयला तो येयल्या उपरांत मागीर दार उकडून आमी भितर गेल्या.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.